Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about how to configure ESP32 Fresh. So first, let's take a look. If we didn't configure the Fresh, what will happen? What's the default situation for the ESP32 Fresh? We will use one example now, which is Hello World example. It under the SDK framework IDF version 5.0 example get start this folder. So we copy this example, copy it into our folder, and we will compile it. We will download it into our board and see the fresh information. Okay, so we open our command line interface, and here we locate our folder, my code folder, into the Hello World, and we set the target ESP32 S3. Here we still use the board we used it in previous video, which is this one. Okay, we have used it. We have used one ESP tool to test the fresh on this board. It has 16 meg fresh. Okay, it has 16 megabyte fresh. We have tested it in previous video. So we will download the software. We set the target here first. We set the target, make it run. We will download the software into the board and to see the output information for the board. Okay. So it's setting the target. We will keep the project untouched, and so we didn't change anything about the project. Okay. We just compile it and download it into the board. Okay, the config done. So next, we will just build it. And when it build, it do the building, and I will pause the video record, wait it finish. Okay, now it finished the compile. We download it into our board, flash it into our board, and to see the output information. It finished the download, and we use monitor to see the output information. Okay, we stop the output, and so first things, you take a look here. This is showing is 2 megabyte external fresh, 2 megabyte. Actually, our board is 16 megabyte, and also you can take a look here. So in the boot, it shows the fresh size is 2 megabyte, and here we have something showing here. Okay, so it shows detected size is this number, and this number it will let's do some calculation, is 16384. This many K, and if we divided by 1024. See, and this will be exactly 16 megabyte. So it means the software detected the correct size, but our our code config the flash as 2 meg external flash. Okay, so how we config the flash? We use the manual config to configure the flash. IDFPY manual config. So this is an interface for the manual config, and we move to Shero Flash config is here, and click enter, and we go to the flash size. This is the flash size. Flash size. We choose 16 meg. So this is 16 megabyte, and we save it. Press S to save it. Config has been saved it, and we exit. Okay, and we build it again. We build it again. And I will pause the video when it is do the building. Okay. Okay, so it finished the compile. I flash the code into our board, and to see the output information will still the same or not. So now it's time to open the monitor. Okay, we stop the monitor. So you will see here, it is the correct size of the flash is 16 megabyte. Okay, and also let's take a look at the boot here. The boot size is here is also 16 megabyte. Okay, so we already configured the flash correctly. Okay, so this is this video. I'm Michael, and see you next time.